So guys, I've just recently got the OnePlus 8T and I always believe in putting a tempered glass skin and case. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the tempered glass and why you need a tempered glass on your phones. So let's check this out. The OnePlus 8T 3D tempered glass costs a lot, guys. Currently for India, it's 1,290 rupees and almost $30 globally. They have been increasing prices for the tempered glass with each iteration. Let's look at the box first. It comes in a solid cardboard box with the specs and everything at the back. Pretty solid and won't be damaged in transit for sure. It's a slide out box, so once you slide, you are greeted with a unique OnePlus designed frame of sorts. Then you have some other pouches inside which has all the necessary items and also a red cable club card, which I feel is totally an utter useless thing. Okay, inside of all these what you get is the tempered glass itself, then you get a white plastic frame of sorts, and then you get a dust removal sticker, a squeezy, and a microfiber cloth is present as well. Now I believe the cost is increased because of this frame, as this makes it very easy to install the tempered glass for everyone. If this is your first time on Tech Matrix, we do a lot of videos on technology, unboxings, giveaways on my channel. So hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon to stay updated on my new videos and giveaways. So let's get into the installation. First, keep the cover or anything at the bottom of the phone just so it doesn't scratch the camera or body, and take the microfiber cloth and clean the phone screen first. Now, I know there is already a screen guard which is a plastic make on the screen, but it kinda becomes sticky while playing games as it's not glass. So let's remove the screen guard, and you could stick it at the back of the screen guard just in case something goes wrong and you need some protection. You can always use this back again and give the screen another clean rub again. Next, let's take the dust removal sticker and remove any other finer particles from the screen. Clean and neatly ensure you're in a closed room with all the windows and doors closed while doing this to minimize any dust entry. Once done, take the frame and align the top notch like shown here, and it needs to be inserted the way it's shown here. Once this is done, take the dust removal sticker again and remove off any other dust particles again for a final time. And once done, quickly remove the tempered glass, but I saw some small particles settled on the screen, so I'm removing those one last time again, and align the tempered glass to the top of the notch provided and place it with all sides aligned properly. And once done, take the squeezy and remove off all the bubbles inside carefully, and remove the frame and repeat the air bubble removal with the squeezy, and that's it. The tempered glass install is complete. Now, I love the flat screen with the flat tempered glass too. The notch is perfectly cut out for the sensors to interact, and the fingerprint scanner works perfectly as it would on the original, quick and fast. It does cut a little bit of screen, maybe an on both the sides. And the best part is the camera. What OnePlus has smartly done is that they have not done a hole punch which would put all the dust inside. Instead, they have made a full glass and no glue at the camera part to ensure that the camera is not blurry, and give a black ring around it, which kind of takes some part of the screen. Now, I have a battery ring installed on my 8T. So you can see that it kind of cuts around. The best part is that this glass is compatible with all the cases out there like the UAG and the Rig Gear. You can check out the review of those cases in the links. The screen now looks fantastic and I can game without any hassle. And I would always suggest a tempered glass and a case or a skin for all your phones to ensure that it's scratch free. So guys, what do you think? Do you think this is worth the money, or do you think some other tempered glasses are out there? Tell me in the comment sections below. This is Bharat. Peace out.